We know that you have been waiting on the Autel Evo 2 drones to arrive and announcement for new DJI Mavic 3 series drones. It's already March and neither drones are here yet, which is making a lot of you agitated. So we thought to give you an update on the situation. Hey guys, I'm Nick and you're watching Tech Square. Let's start with the Autel Evo 2 drone. The Autel Evo 2 was announced back in January at CES 2020. Since that announcement, everyone is waiting for the drone to arrive on the market. Autel promised that the drones will be available soon after the launch. However, due to production glitches, the release of the drone was pushed back to March 2020. In pre-production, Autel Robotics has discovered a bug in the Evo 2 that could limit the flight performance under normal operation. So, Autel Robotics decided to push back entire production instead of releasing a product with a known issue and forcing users to perform day one updates. Which is the reason you still haven't got your hands on the Autel Evo 2 in January. Although it might take a few more weeks for you to actually get the drones on your hand. The world is suffering from coronavirus, and as the epicenter of the virus, China has got the worst of it. Due to this epidemic, businesses and production in China are halted. Freight service is either cancelled or delayed, resulting in an inadequate supply of goods all over the world. Due to the spread of coronavirus in China, 00 Robotics and DJI have had to close their offices, from which we can assume other drone manufacturers such as Autel Robotics would also suffer the consequences of the coronavirus. Be that as it may, in a post from Autel Robotics on their Facebook page, the company has assured that the software bug has been fixed and they are still expecting to release the Evo 2 drone by any time later this month. Production for the Evo 2 drone has been resumed to normal even though their production was affected by the outbreak. However, there are no confirmed dates yet, and Autel is vaguely saying that more information will be available in next week or so. Since there is no actual time frame, we believe the drone may not arrive in March. Instead, it could take Autel to release the Evo 2 drone a few more weeks and the actual shipping could start in April. Although we are still hoping that Autel could deliver on their promises and make the drones available at the end of March. As for DJI Mavic 3 series or any other new drone from DJI, we already know that DJI offices had to be shut down for coronavirus, which would very well hinder research and development of their next drone while halting their production of drones and shipments to the other countries. Amidst all this fear of coronavirus outbreak, companies are holding the release of their products. The Mobile World Congress in Barcelona was cancelled as companies pulled out of the event due to coronavirus. This could be the reason behind why we haven't seen any news or announcement of DJI drones yet. Although there is nothing confirmed if DJI actually has any product to launch yet. So it could be either or both reasons why there aren't any new DJI drones. However, China is gradually getting hold of the coronavirus outbreak and shipping has started slowly. Manufacturing is also starting to get back to normal. So in a few weeks we can expect things in China is going to get better and companies can get back to their regular business. As everything comes to normal, we can expect both companies will be releasing their flagship drones. If there is any confirmed news, we will let you know promptly. That's it for today. If you liked the video and find it useful, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below and let us know your thoughts. Subscribe to this channel for more videos like this and press the bell icon to get notified when our next video drops.